Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A03s for AT&T Prepaid. So the Galaxy A03s is a new budget smartphone for AT&T Prepaid. It's available now for $64.99. It's available in 32GB of storage, and it's available in blue there. So yeah, this is an update over the Galaxy A02s. So let's go ahead and check this phone out here. So yeah. So this is the Galaxy A03s. There is the phone right there. So very nice looking phone. It kind of looks like the Galaxy A02s. So there you go. You guys have your earpiece up here, teardrop notch for your front facing camera, power button on the right side. That's your fingerprint sensor as well. Your volume keys on the right side as well. Click on this and give you guys a better view of it here. Okay, that's kind of interesting. So there's the phone there. So that's the front of it. Here's the left side of the phone. I don't know why it's like that though. So this is the left side of the phone, if you guys can see that. I don't see anything on the left side. I don't see anything. I do not. I do not. What size is this? That is the left side of the phone. And yeah, so I see a hole in the left side. Guessing that's where your micro SD and SIM card slot is on the left side. It's like kinda like right here, if you guys can see that hole. There's a hole there, so yeah, I do not like how they presented this. I don't like this at all. I honestly do not like this. It's fucking down there. I do not like this at all. Let's go to the back of the Galaxy A03s here. So here's the back of the Galaxy A03s. Yeah, guys, have your triple camera system there, along with your camera flash. It kind of looks like the Galaxy A02s from last year, like I said. It's available in blue there, which I'm not a fan of it personally because of the color. Kind of looks like it has a. It kind of looks like it has like a texture on the back of it there. If you guys can see that, you guys have Samsung logo there on the back, and I think you got a headphone jack right here on the bottom, I believe. So that's very nice to have one because a lot of phones now don't come with the headphone jack. So that's the back there. And I don't know what's going on here. I think it's the back, I think. Yeah, that was terrible. I didn't like how they presented that there. So yeah. So it says here, if you value simplicity, Galaxy A03s is the phone for you. That means you get the awesome essentials like long-lasting battery, high-definition display, and multi-lens camera, all in one of our most affordable phones. This one has 4G on it. I don't think it has 5G. I don't think so. Cause it doesn't mention nothing about 5G though. And there's some more pictures of the Galaxy A03s here. There's a little video there that you guys could check out if you guys want to check out that video. Waiting for these to load up. Alright, I don't know what the hell's going on here. Try that again. So there's the front of the phone right there. You guys have your tape drop notch with your front facing camera. Earpiece above that. Power button on the right side. That's also your fingerprint sensor. Volume keys on the right side as well. The left side I think has your micro SD and SIM card slot. There's the left side of it here. There's the back. You guys got the triple camera system on with your camera flash, Samsung logo, and there's no AT&T logo, which is pretty interesting. Right side. And there's the right side there. So yeah. I don't know why it's taking forever I don't know why it's taking forever for the pictures to load, but yeah, this is the budget phone, guys. So you are getting what you pay for here. So quick specs on the phone, you guys have a 6.5-inch HD plus Infinity V display. That is a 720p display. You get 3 cameras on the back. Like I said, 13 megapixel, 2 megapixel. You get 13 megapixel main camera plus 2 megapixel rear cameras. One is a macro lens, and I think another one is a depth sensor, I think. Yeah, so that's good. You get 5,000 mAh battery, 1 TB of micro SD expansion. So take advantage of that. Your dimensions are 6.53 inches height, 3.99 inches width, and 0.36 inches depth. The Galaxy A03s weighs 7.13 ounces. Display, like I said, 6.5 inches. That's an HD plus Infinity V display. 720 by 1600 pixel resolution. So that's a 720p display. So this display should look decent. Should look decent enough for what it is. 16 main colors. You get 3 cameras in the back. Like I said, you get 13 megapixel main camera, which is a wide angle camera with autofocus f2.2 on the main camera, depth sensor, which is 2 megapixels, fixed focus 2.4 aperture, macro lens, which is a 2 megapixels, fixed focus, aperture f2.4, digital zoom up to 10 times, up to 4 HD 1080p at 30 frames, video playback 4 HD 1080p at 30 frames, 5 megapixel front facing camera with the f2.2 aperture lens. Other shooting options include portrait mode, photo, video, decro, pic, not sure what that is, macro, panorama, food, hyperlapse. Battery is a 5,000 mAh battery. Battery is not removable. That's pretty much standard now. It is rare that you guys will see a removable battery. So yeah, this battery is not removable. You get 40 hours of talk time, 17.5 days of standby time, 75 hours of audio playback time on the speaker, and 90 hours of audio playback time on a headset like Bluetooth or whatever. Time to take the charge to 50%, 95 minutes, so that's about an hour and a half. Time to take the charge to 100%, that's 236 minutes, so that's what, 3 hours? It's crazy, like 3 hours and some change there. Kind of ridiculous. I think it has fast charging on it too, I think it does. Processor is a MediaTek MT6765 processor, an octa-core chipset there. 32 gigabytes of internal storage, 1 TB of micro SD expansion. So take advantage of that. It takes a micro SD card, of course. 3 gigabytes of RAM. Android 11 One UI 3.1. I think that's the One UI version on Android 11. So you're getting a slightly older version of Android, but it should get Android 12. I don't see why it wouldn't. You do get 4G on this phone. No 5G, of course. You get 4G LTE. You get bands 2, 4, 5, and 12 and 14. HSPA Plus. 3G, which AT&T is shutting that shit down. So I don't know why they still advertise 3G, but it is what it is. You get GSM, of course, Vodafone, which is a quad band AC voice, Wi-Fi calling, AT&T voice call. You get AT&T video call. My bad, AT&T video call. You get Wi-Fi connectivity option, which is 802.11 and an AC. Your standard Wi-Fi connections in today's world. Dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0. Low energy, mobile hotspot up to 10 devices, noise suppression by dual microphone. Wireless emergency alerts capable, so that's good. So you'll get alerts like severe weather, Amber alerts, or whatever. Takes another SIM card. Your sensors that you guys have on the phone is a accelerometer, ambient. You guys get a accelerometer, ambient light, barometer, fingerprint sensor, which is your power button, and your proximity sensor. There's your messages and stuff like that there. Music part is YouTube Music. That's default. So yeah. Accessibility, sustainability there. Product codes and all that good stuff. What comes in the box is nothing special, guys. I mean, you guys get the quick start guide, USB-C cable, and your SIM tray ejection tool, and that's pretty much it. You're not getting any headphones or nothing like that, because you're basically getting bare minimum in your package, in your box nowadays. So it might come with the charging brick, but I don't know about that. So yeah. And that's weird. Yeah, that was weird. So yeah, so if you guys are looking to get a budget Samsung phone, AT&T prepaid, guys, you covered with that. This is the Samsung Galaxy A03s. It's not 5G compatible. It's not. So you will not get 5G on this phone. If you guys want a 5G phone, get the Galaxy A13 from AT&T prepaid. It's a bit more expensive, but if you guys want a cheap 5G phone from Samsung on AT&T prepaid, the Galaxy A13 is the phone for you to check out if you guys want a cheap 5G phone from Samsung and AT&T. So this is the Galaxy A03s. This is a 4G smartphone only, no 5G. This is a budget phone. Specs in here pretty decent. And so if you guys are looking for a backup phone or whatever, the Galaxy A03s it's not a bad phone. It's definitely worth taking a look at here. The only thing I don't like about it, that it has a blue color. I'm not a fan of the blue color. I just think it looks tacky as fuck. But that just means that you guys might like the blue color. So I don't like the blue color. Specs in here are decent for what it is, a budget phone. So you get what you pay for here. So no 5G. So it is what it is, guys. So there you guys have it. Samsung Galaxy A03s, now available at AT&T prepaid for $64.99. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.